How to archive orders on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can archive orders on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to archive orders on Amazon, open the Amazon shopping application here. Let's say you've happened to order something in the past and that they are in your ordered space still. You would like to archive them because you've already received the product. For that, tap the account icon from the bottom center of the screen. Once you do that, from the very top, you'll see this type of interface where you have to go to the option called Your Orders, as you will be able to find here. Once you go to Your Orders, you'll be taken to the list of orders page where you will be able to see all the orders. All you have to do is just select a particular order you would like to archive, and then you'll find the option to archive those orders. Now in my case, I've already archived all the orders. If you haven't done so, you'll find the archive option right next to the order that you would like to archive. This way you can archive your orders on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.